Are you ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, I've got something that could revolutionize your projects: Ted's Woodworking Plans. Ted's Woodworking Plans is an incredible resource with over 16,000 step-by-step projects for virtually any woodworking idea you can dream up. Yes, you heard that right, 16,000. What makes this stand out? It's not just the sheer number of plans, it's the detail. Each plan is crystal clear, with easy-to-follow instructions, diagrams, and even material lists. No more guesswork, just straightforward guidance. Let me tell you, these plans are a lifesaver for beginners. A few weeks ago, I built my first birdhouse using one of Ted's plans, and it turned out so much better than I expected. And guess what? My next project? A sleek coffee table that I never thought I'd have the skills to make. But it's not just for beginners. If you're a woodworking veteran, you'll appreciate the variety and the opportunity to expand your repertoire. From furniture to outdoor projects, there's something for every skill level. And the bonuses? Oh, they're the cherry on top. Ted includes detailed woodworking guides, free lifetime updates, and even a library of videos to help you master your craft. It's like having a mentor in your toolbox. Plus, the plans are all digitally accessible. You can download them instantly and get started on your next masterpiece right away. No waiting, no hassle. So, if you've been dreaming of creating something beautiful with your own hands, Ted's Woodworking Plans is a no-brainer. It's packed with value, easy to use, and honestly, it's just plain fun. Click the link below to check out Ted's Woodworking Plans and unlock your woodworking potential. Trust me, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Happy woodworking, and I'll see you in the shop.